Let me show you how to blend text on any surface in Photoshop. At first, drag and drop your image in your workspace. To make the text more visible, I'm going to increase the contrast of this image. Duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl J or right clicking and choose the duplicate option. Then you desaturate the copied background. Go to filter and follow this process. Press Ctrl S and save in PSD format. Now press Ctrl Z to undo all what we have done. Choose the text tool and write your text. Press Ctrl T to scale or free transform. Convert the text layer to smart objects. Go to Filter, choose Distort and choose Displace and follow this process. Choose the saved PSD file and choose Open. Double click to open the blending option and follow this process. Hold Alt and split that icon into two, then drag to blend the text.